Use this coconut cream to smoothen your skin, brighten your skin, make your skin look so youthful and smooth. It's very effective, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. Please do consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make coconut cream that will help to smoothen your face, brighten your face, make you look younger. In fact, after using this treatment, if you're looking 60, you will be looking like 18. Okay, so let's get right into it. So guys, to prepare the coconut milk face cream, you need coconut, fresh coconut. Go ahead and get some amount of it, wash it. After washing it, you go ahead and grate it with the smallest size of the grater. I changed my mind. I decided not to grate with grater. I decided to blend it. That will be easier and faster, okay? But you can grate yours if you want, okay? So I will go ahead and add the coconut into the blender. After adding it into the blender, instead of adding water, I will add some amount of rose water just to help the blender to blend it very well, okay? So here we are using coconut milk because it's very beneficial to the skin. Coconut milk contains vitamin C, which helps in maintaining elasticity and the flexibility of the skin, making it more healthy and beautiful. Coconut milk also helps in removing wrinkles and the age spots, giving your skin that youthful and the radiant glow, okay? So there are a lot of skin benefits of coconut milk to the skin. It also helps to treat sunburn. Yes, it's very effective in treating sunburn. The fat and the oil content present in coconut milk reduces redness and provides moisture to the skin. Applying coconut milk to the affected areas helps to reduce the pain and the inflammation caused by sunburn, okay? So coconut milk helps to moisturize the skin, okay guys? So after extracting the juice, the next thing to add here is yogurt. I will go ahead and add plain yogurt. If you don't have plain yogurt, the next option is fresh milk. Go ahead and add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh milk in place of yogurt, okay? So after adding that, you go ahead and mix it very, very well. Yogurt is a natural ingredient that can work wonders for the skin. It contains lactic acid, which acts as a natural exfoliant and helps to remove dead skin cells. It also helps to brighten the skin by reducing the appearances of dark spots and hyperpigmentations, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. So that's why it's necessary to add yogurt or milk to this treatment. So after that, you mix it very well. Just make sure that they combine very well, okay guys? So the next option here is to get aloe vera gel. Add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of it into the plate. At this point, if you don't have aloe vera gel, you can just go ahead and use cotton wool, dip it into the mixture of the coconut milk and yogurt and apply it on your face. That is if you don't have aloe vera gel. But if you do have aloe vera gel, that is a plus for you. Go ahead and take some amount of the coconut milk and yogurt and mix it with the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel will act as a cream base, okay? It's serving as a cream base, and also it has its own skin benefit. It helps to soothe the skin. It helps to get rid of blemishes on the skin. So aloe vera is also good to the skin, okay guys? But in case if you don't have it, you can just apply the coconut milk and the yogurt mixed together on your skin. So that is it. After mixing, you get a clean container and put it into the clean container. You can store this in your fridge for 5 days, okay? You can store it in the fridge. So guys, I always say that I like to make DIYs in small quantities. The one I can finish like 2 to 3 times. I don't like making them in large quantities, okay guys? So this is it. I will show you how you can actually use this. So guys, we are done with that, and this is it with me. How do you use this cream? At night, wash your face. After washing your face, you take it and apply it on your face. Rub it on your face. Make sure your hand is clean. Make sure you wash your hand before using it to apply it, okay? So rub it all over your face, guys. This will help to smoothen your face. This will help to, brighten your face, okay? Coconut milk and the yogurt, they contains antibacterial properties. They help to fight bacteria that causes acne, that makes you develop pimples and all that. It contains lactic acid, which helps to smoothen your face, helps to improve the collagen on your face, okay? So this treatment is really effective, guys. So after applying it on your face, you let it to dry. Once it dries, you can wash it off, or you can decide not to wash it out. When I use this, I don't wash it out. I go to bed with it. Once it dries up and I know it will not stain my pillow, I will just go to bed. Tomorrow morning, then I'll wash my face off, okay? Use this treatment in the evening time while going to bed. Use it every day. Guys, with consistency, using this treatment, you will begin to see your face looking so bright. You will see your face becoming so smooth and youthful. Guys, use this treatment. Is very, very effective, okay? So that is it. Apply it on your face. Once it dries up, you can wash it out, or you can leave it overnight, okay, guys? The remaining one, you put it in the fridge for 1 week, and after 1 week, you discard it and prepare another one. All right? So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, please kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.